A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd like to just share this lovely one row repeat baby blanket pattern with you. It's a very nice soft cuddly textured blanket pattern stitch, and all we're going to be doing is working on a multiple of 3 chain plus 2 extra. And we're going to be working a foundation row and then just the pattern row, which you just repeat for as many times as you want to. It looks like this from the front and then like this from the back. And it's a lovely textured pattern, soft and cuddly. And I'm just using a 6.5mm crochet hook or a K crochet hook and some worsted or 8-ply yarn. Because I crochet tightly, I'm using a bigger crochet hook. So a 6mm crochet hook with the 8-ply or worsted yarn will be just fine. So I'm just going to start off by making my slip knot. And I'm going to chain my multiples of 3, so I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've got my multiples of 3 and I'm going to chain 2 extra. So 1, 2. And I'm going to be missing the first, the second and the third chain from the hook and into the 4th chain from the hook I'm going to work a 3 double crochet puff stitch. So all you do is work a incomplete double crochet, leaving the last loop on the hook. Do that 3 times into the same chain. So we've worked our 3 incomplete double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, and we have 2 4 loops on the hook. We just pull the yarn through the 4 loops of the hook and you've made your 3 double crochet puff stitch. The 1, 2, 3 chain that we missed counts as a stitch and as a turning chain. Into the next chain I'm going to work 1 double crochet. This is the foundation row, and into the next chain I'm going to work 1 double crochet. So I have my turning chain, my 3 chain, which does count as a stitch, my puff stitch, 1, 2 double crochet. Into the following stitch I'm going to work a 3 double crochet puff stitch. So 1, 2, 3. We just leave the last loop of the double crochet on the hook. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook. Just pull the yarn through all 4 loops on the hook. Into the next chain I'll just be working 1 double crochet, and into the next chain another 1 double crochet. Into the following chain I'm just going to work my 3 double crochet puff stitch. So 1, 2 and 3, leaving the last loop of the double crochet on the hook. So we have our 2, 4. Just pull the yarn through those 4 loops on the hook. Into the next chain, I'm going to work 1 double crochet. Into the following chain, another double crochet. And I'm left with 1, 2 chain. So into the next chain, I'll be working my 3 double crochet puff stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and just pull the yarn through the 2 4 loops on the hook. I'm left with 1 chain, just going to work a double crochet into that last chain. That's your foundation row. We're just now going to go onto the pattern row. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. You just turn your work. The 3 chain counts as a stitch and as the turning chain, so we don't use the first stitch. Into the next stitch, we're going to work our 3 double crochet puff stitch. 1, 2, and 3, and just pull the yarn through all 4 loops on the hook. We're here at the 2 double crochet that we made on the foundation row. What we're going to do is yarn round hook, insert your hook just in before the first double crochet, and then we're going to go around. So we have our 2 double crochet here, 1, 2 stitches, insert your hook in, bring it around the back and up through the second stitch of the second double crochet, and we're just going to work a double crochet, and we're just going to repeat that. Yarn round hook, insert your hook in and round the back up through the second double crochet stitch. You're just going to be making a double crochet, and that is your pattern stitch, your 3 double crochet puff stitch and these 2 double crochet around the back of the double crochet of the foundation row. So into the next stitch, I'm going to work my 3 double crochet puff stitch. So 2 and 3. Just pull the yarn through the 4 loops on the hook. You've got your puff stitch. We're at our 2 double crochet of the previous round. You just yarn round hook before the first double crochet, insert your hook in, bring it around the back and up through the stitch of the second double crochet, and just complete a double crochet, and we just repeat that. So insert your hook in around the back and up through the stitch of the second double crochet. Just go to, we'll be making our 3 double crochet puff stitch into the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and the yarn through all 4 loops on the hook. And we're at our 2 double crochet of the previous round. You just yarn round hook, insert your hook in before the first double crochet round the back and up through the stitch of the second double crochet, and just make a complete double crochet. And we just repeat that. So your hook through, round the back and up through the stitch of the second double crochet. You then come to the puff stitch of the previous round. We're just going to work our 3 double crochet puff stitch into that. 1, 2 and 3. Just the yarn through all 4 loops on the hook. We've come to our turning chain, our 3 chain from the previous round. Just work a double crochet into the 3rd chain. And that's the pattern row. So we have our foundation row and the pattern row. I'll just work another row with you. So 1, 2, 3 chain, turn your work, and this 3 chain counts as a stitch and as the turning chain, so we don't use the first stitch. Into the next stitch we work our 3 double crochet puff stitch, and just pull the yarn through all 4 loops on the hook. We've now come to our 2 double crochet of the previous round. We're just going to repeat what we did on the first on the pattern row. So just yarn round hook, because that's your first double crochet. Yarn round hook, insert your hook in. You have your first double crochet stitch, your second double crochet stitch. Just bring the hook round the back and through the second double crochet stitch, and just work a double crochet. And we just repeat that one more time. Your hook through and then up from behind. Just work our 3 double crochet puff stitch into the next stitch. And just pull through all 4 loops on the hook. And these are your 2 double crochet of the previous round. Yarn round hook, insert in before the first double crochet. Those are your 1, 2, the first double crochet stitch, the second double crochet stitch. From behind, just bring your hook up through the second double crochet stitch and work a double crochet. And we just repeat that. So hook in and bring up through the second double crochet stitch. And then we work our 3 double crochet puff stitch in the next stitch. And just pull through all 4 loops on the hook. And these are your 2 double crochet of the previous round. Yarn round hook, insert your hook in before the first double crochet, so you have your 1, 2 stitches. From behind, just bring your hook up through the second stitch and work a double crochet. And you just repeat that one more time. And then we work a 3 double crochet puff stitch in the next stitch. And just pull the yarn through all 4 loops on the hook. We've come to our 1, 2, 3 chain. of the previous round, we just work a double crochet into the third chain, and that's your pattern stitch. It's suitable for beginners. It works up into a lovely soft cuddly baby blanket pattern. If you're going to be changing using colours like I have, white, blue and the yellow, to change the colour you need to do it on an even row so that it looks like this from the front, and this is how it looks from the back. So if you're changing colours, do it on an even row. So if you want to change colour on the 4th row, then, or the 6th row or 8th row, and just a multiple of 3 plus 2 for the width you want of your blanket, and just do the foundation row and repeat the pattern row for as many times as you want. And it looks like that from the front and like that from the back. I do hope this tutorial has been useful and you can make use of it. Please leave a comment or ask any questions. It would be lovely to hear from you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.